You need a great photograph of yourself for at least 20 different things: LinkedIn, your passport, a book jacket, and none of them ever get done. You either pay a studio or take a phone selfie. Portrait Studio on Pixel API changes that. One ordinary photo of you becomes a studio portrait for LinkedIn, for your passport, for your wedding album. Most AI tools give you a flattering stranger. Portrait Studio gives you, your colleagues, your family, the bank verification officers see you. Open the app on your phone, pick your photo, choose your style. In about 30 seconds, your studio portrait lands on your screen. Try professional LinkedIn, or corporate executive, or a passport visa photo, or Matrimony Traditional, or the Indian groom outfit, or the Indian Bridal Saree, one selfie, every style, identity preserved. Same engine on the desktop at pixelapi.dev. Drag your photo in, choose your style. Download a portrait that meets international standards. ArcFace Gate guarantees identity match. You can use Pixel API in 3 ways: on the web at pixelapi.dev, on the app on Lansora, and in code with our Python API.